Hi and welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium YouTube video. Today we're looking at this. This is a really beautiful fused glass forest with lots of our fantastic woodland creatures in it. We have our raccoon and our barn owl and our new mushrooms and our rabbits. And today I'm going to show you how I made this. So we've cut a piece of texture to the size of our frame, and we are now going to decorate it with our trees. So here it is, the piece mostly done. I want to add one last item. You know, look at it. We've got our hedgehogs. You remember those from before, and our red mushrooms. But look, we've got our green mushrooms and our brown ones and our, we call these sunshine mushrooms. And we've got our little rabbit family. So you can buy the rabbits in XL and in normal, and our XL tortoise. And then up here we got our fantastic raccoon. And a bit further down we've got our owl, and we've got our birds and our fox, and we've got our old owl up here in the tree, and another smaller one here. And down over here we've got our squirrel and another bird, and I am just going to add to this tree here a little woodpecker. In fact, I'm going to put them on the other side. Add one over here. And I might even add another one down here on this tree. I could add a few woodpeckers. I really love these woodpeckers. I think they're such a great design. And they're just, the colours are so iconically a woodpecker that you couldn't mistake it for anything else. So those are going to go, this is going to go in the kiln on a tack fuse. Just going to have one last look and see if we want to add anything. And then it will go in. It will go quite a slow fuse, long anneal. We've got lots of layers going on here, and we definitely want this to come out safely. So here it is out of the kiln and nicely fired. I love this piece. It's such happy glass. Really works brilliantly with all the little animals, and as my friend would call them, critters. And the forest with all the different coloured leaves. Absolutely love it. The nice thing about this piece is it's actually kind of double-sided, so it could sit somewhere and be seen from both sides and still look awesome both ways, which I really like. Look at the cute little rabbit family at the bottom. They look like they're playing and having fun. And the owl is just completely awesome, as is our raccoon. And all the rest. Completely love it. I hope you've liked this video. Remember, you can get all our new fantastic woodland creatures at tabithasglassemporium.com. Go there, sign up to our newsletter. You'll hear all our fantastic news with any new products first. And also, if we have any special offers, that's the place to hear about it. We also have our group, Tabitha's Glass Emporium group on Facebook, where all our amazing customers out there share what they're doing with our products. So go sign up for that, become a member, and check out what other people are making. And until next time, happy fusing.